spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by the Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront portal. Curated from the vast Walmart.com network of retailers, here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items like three-rail train sets, rolling stock, locomotives, scenery items, and even apparel and decor. There's even a special tab for items that have been featured in Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos. Follow the link in the video description or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new items. For your video library, Heron Rail Video has released Cincinnati Steam Classics on DVD, featuring steam passenger trains at Cincinnati Union Terminal in 1955 and 1956, with New York Central 464s and 482s, B and O 262s, and Norfolk and Western J-Class 484s, plus an L&N Railroad 284 on a Kentucky Derby special. The video also features New York Central 482s, 282s, 080s, and 060s at several yards in freight service at Cincinnati. Filmed by David J. Crines, the narrated 65-minute film features authentic sound. Follow the link in the video description for details. Menards has released a very limited quantity of non-powered FP7 diesels to match their Union Pacific train sets. The diesels are available for $89.99 each from Menards online only. Menards has also released their new Centerflow covered hoppers in Union Pacific colors, in both regular and pre-weathered versions. The cars retail for $34.99 each, or $114.99 for a 4-pack, online or in stores. Now in stock at MTH authorized retailer Easy Catch is an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Rochester and Southern SW1200 diesel locomotive. The locomotive is now in stock and available in 2 cab numbers in very limited quantities for $369.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Scale Premier AC6000 diesel locomotives in CSX, CSX Diversity in Motion, Union Pacific, GE Demonstrator, GE Leasing, and Western New York and Pennsylvania versions late next spring. Each of these offerings will be available in prototypical CAD numbers in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH retailers in May 2024. The models will retail for $599.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper car in unique Chicago Northwestern DeKalb colors for Berwyn's Toy Trains. The cars will be available in very limited quantities beginning in March 2024. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of their Premier O-Scale 34-foot composite hopper car in Norfolk and Western colors for Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The cars, one of which features gold-painted trucks, will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of March 2024. The early order price is $79.99 each. MTH has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Santa Fe Alco P8 diesel locomotive set in Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotives will be available as a powered AA and non-powered B unit in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of January 2024. The early order prices are $469.95 for the AA set and $169.95 for the B unit plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale New York Central Empire State Express 464 Hudson in 2 special versions for Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The locomotives will be available in 2 different tender offerings, each in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2024. The early order price is $1259.95. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, and if you like these weekly product updates, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss an episode. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.